Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can install the Facebook app on your Windows 11. Let's get started. For that, first of all, you have to open up your Microsoft Store. In the search bar, simply search for Microsoft Store and then open it up. Once the Microsoft Store opens up in the search bar, you need to simply search for Facebook, search for it, and just like that from the results, click on Facebook app and then click on Get. Once you tap on Get, it will begin downloading and installing the app. The download and installation process will start automatically. This may take a few seconds depending on your internet speed. Once the installation is complete, you can click on the Open menu and a pop-up will appear giving you the option to pin the Facebook app to your taskbar or create a desktop shortcut. You can choose either option by clicking on Allow or simply continue without selecting them. When you open the app for the first time, you will need to log into your Facebook account using your email or phone number and password. That's it. You have successfully installed the Facebook app on your Windows 11. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub and I'll see you in the next one.